feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I thought I'd give another shot at making another loaf of bread. It's the day before Thanksgiving. I thought, hey, why not? And I'm gonna make it out of this. This is called Lai Noodle. It's number, I can't remember what number it is on the top 10 list for Taiwan this year. It's really good stuff. It's vegan. I'm gonna use one of the noodle blocks and a bunch of the sachets from multiple packs. And I think I'm gonna throw an apple and some spring onion in there and maybe some sesame seeds. We'll see how it goes. It's cold outside. Very, very cold. Let's do this. So, I'm back. We went out and did a little Christmas shopping. However, here is our bread. Bread! It smells really good, and let's cut it up. Well, here's our bread. It came out with an interesting look to it. Check it out. There's a lot of almost like marbling to it. I don't know if that's noodle also. It's hard to tell until I give it a try, so let's do it. Very moist. Apple came out well. I could taste the vegan mints in there too. Yeah, check this stuff out. I've never had stuff come out looking so marbled before. Well, what do you do with this stuff? Personally, I'm bringing it up to Thanksgiving. I think this will make a really decent turkey sandwich. So yeah, thanks to the folks over at High Life Foods for shooting so much of this stuff over. It's fun to work with, and it made some pretty good bread. So yeah. And happy Thanksgiving to everybody. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye. Bye. Bye.